All right, you're about to start a quick 10-minute workout that I pulled for you from the fitness app. Now, remember, there are free 7-minute daily workouts. You just download the app. You don't need to sign up. You get a free daily workout, 7 minutes long, little micro blast that you can do any place, anytime, anywhere, no equipment needed. And if you want to check out the other features that the app has to offer, there's a free trial. So you can check out the meal plans, all the different trainers, all the different workouts. There's meditation on there, there's sleep support, community, of course. I'm there. Make that better. So the link is in the comments. Try it if so inclined and enjoy this workout. All right, I've got a killer workout lined up for you today. Let's get started, people. A classic, jumping jacks. Let's do it. Straighten those arms and clap overhead. Jump those feet out shoulder width apart. Give me a nice good pace and rhythm. All right, jump rope. The harder you work right now, the faster your body's gonna change. Make sure to synergize your upper and lower body as though you're really jumping rope. Own this workout. You know what? Do it for you. Butt kicks are killer for getting your heart rate up, but they also provide a nice dynamic stretch for your quadriceps. High knees, hit it. I want you to tilt your hips forward and lift your core when you're doing these moves. When I say high knees, I mean high ass knees. Pick up your knees. We're not jogging in place, people. High knees. Let's do running man. Stay steady, stay strong. You can do this. Quick, quick, quick. Keep it up, you're doing great. Time for skiers. To make it harder, pick up the pace. Zigzag jumps, hit it.
Today, I want you to learn what is possible. I don't want you to sit there and think, I'm dying, I can't do it, she's crazy. All those things might be true other than you can't do it. You can do it, you will do it, you are doing it. Okay, skaters. Don't even for a second think that you can't do this. Because you know what? If you fight for those limitations, you get to keep them. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. So you put your mind to this and you beat the crap out of this workout. Let's do it. Side to side hops. There, one more time through. Okay, jumping jacks. Do you find it interesting that as a child you could do these all day long and now they're just a special slice of hell? I mean, I do. I find that strange. All right, jump rope. Just stay in motion, focus on your breathing. You can do this. Make sure to match your arm movement to your lower body movement. Time for fast feet. You know what? I get it. It hurts, it sucks, it's uncomfortable. In the moment, sometimes exercise is not fun, but the results, that's what you're fighting for. Think about that right now. Time for butt kicks. Good job. I am so proud of you and the effort you put into this. Let's keep going. I want you to bring your heels all the way up to touch your bum. Okay, high knees. Pump your arms at the same time as you're pumping your legs. Crush this workout. Do it for you. Let's do Running Man. Keep going, you got this. With any cardio interval, to accelerate the intensity, simply pick up your pace. Time for skiers. Focus on your form and your rhythm. Fall into a pace that you can stick with throughout the entire interval. Now with this one, make sure to keep your feet tight and together, pivoting side to side. Zigzag jumps. Hit it. Land softly. Focus on your breathing. Okay, skaters. Stick with this and stay with me. Let's do it. Side to side hops. Nice job today. Seriously, I know this one was not easy, but just remember, nothing worth having comes without work, and you are worth it, so keep it up.